Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a demo account on Octafx. If you're looking to practice trading without using real money, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, open the Octafx app and tap on the Account button at the bottom of the screen. Next, at the top of the page, select Demo. To create a new demo account, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner or select Create New Account. Now, choose one of the available options. I'll go with the first one for this tutorial. Next, make sure Demo is selected at the top. Then, enter your initial deposit amount. Keep in mind, this is virtual money, so it can't be withdrawn. You'll also need to set your leverage and choose a currency. By default, it's set to USD. Once you've filled in these details, tap Open Demo Account. Your account will be created instantly, and as you can see, it's now ready for use. And that's it. You're now set up with a demo account to practice trading. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.